Gold just did an extremely bullish thing, and it bounced from a key level that we needed to uphold in order to remain in a massive uptrend, okay? And silver is doing the exact same thing right now. What is that level? Well, I actually gave you that level yesterday, and if you were inside of the NORDIC Alpha Private VIP Trading Academy, you actually took this trade most likely on gold because I gave you the trade to go long on this yesterday, and this is a massive, massive trade. So let's talk about why I think that gold is extremely bullish because it bounced from this level and where we could be going from here, because we've got some lofty price targets. I'm talking 4,750, 4,800, right? All the way up to $5,000 and $5,100. And this is near term. This isn't like 6 months from now. This is near term targets. So let's just get into the TA. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader, and I do have a live tracked and documented 91.5% win rate on gold and silver in just 2025 alone. And actually in 2026, we have 100% win rate so far, but we've only been here for like, 3 or 4 weeks. So, go look at the year's worth of data over, a couple of weeks. That's, that's an outlier. So let's talk about the trades that we gave out inside of NORDIC Alpha, and let's talk about why gold is so bullish here and see where we could be potentially going and how we're going to get to that $5,000, anywhere from $5,000 to $5,100 price target. Okay, now if you were here yesterday, you knew that this was a key level, okay? Very, very key level that we absolutely had to uphold. We were talking about this level yesterday inside of, not only on my channel, but also inside of NORDIC Alpha, where I was giving out a long on this level for gold literally yesterday right here, okay? And if you look, this is our level. It was about 43, 42. That one was the one that was very, very far down. But this is the actionable level that we gave out right about here. Boom. Look at that bad boy. And this is exactly where we came to and bounced. And I said, hey, look, this is our pivot point. We have to stay above this level if we want to remain just, short-term bullish, right? And what I did also say is that we could get a nice shorting opportunity before we actually get down to that level, which was a SFP right up here, right? And this actually happened as well, and I can show you that on the chart, but we literally gave this out live yesterday inside of the private VIP trading room. Now, what did those trades look like? Well, they looked a lot like this, okay? This was the first one, right? This was a swing failure pattern that we took all the way down to the pivot point. And I said, look, if we get a swing failure pattern up here at these highs, and we did, with a bearish divergence, and we did, right? Here's your bearish divergence right there. We could short all the way down to the pivot point, right? And then bounce from the pivot point. And that's exactly what happened. And if you look at how this was this was an awesome, awesome trade. So congratulations to anybody that took it, right? You had a long time to get out. 21.81 risk to reward ratio, meaning for every dollar that you risked, you would have made almost $22, okay? So got in, got out of that trade, very easy, right? Then we just took the opposite side of it and said, hey, all right, obviously I was asleep when all of this was happening. So when I woke up, I was like, okay, I'm going to set my stop loss below VWAP, because what's the worst case scenario here? I take a 1.5x risk to reward trade here. I make, a couple of $100. I stop out under VWAP, and then I just re-enter the trade. And that's exactly what I did and exactly what we did. And I actually alerted everybody of this because I'm pretty transparent with these things inside of NORDIC Alpha. Obviously, I was telling everybody about, the VWAP rejections, or not the VWAP rejections, but the trades and how they were playing out and things of that sort. And then I obviously told everybody, hey, I got stopped out on my gold long just below VWAP. No worries. I'm going to re-enter at the same level, and then now look at, what is happening at that point, right? Make another couple $100, no big deal, right? So we're up about 235. We stand to make, if we take it up to all-time highs, $612 at most. Our risk was right here. So you're talking, this is a massive, massive risk to reward as well. 13x, pretty crazy stuff. So why did we take these trades? Well, if you zoom out, you'll see exactly why. We had this massive rising wedge that was happening, okay? And if you look, how did I find that rising wedge? Well, all I did was go back to those previous double top all-time highs, and I connected the highest wick to the second highest wick, extended that out with this tool right here, this tool, where's it at? Boom, 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 boom. The ray tool, bang, right there, extended it out, and as you can see, we have gotten above this one time, right? We kind of got above it twice, I guess, so you can be technical about it. Boom, outside, but we got sucked right back into it. We never really caught a real bounce from it. This time, we've caught multiple bounces. Bounce, higher high, bounce, lower high, bounce. Let's see if we do indeed get our higher high here, right? Because this could be also a inverted cup and handle pattern that then breaks us down from here, which is why you got to keep your stops tight, right? That's why if you get back below VWAP, most likely today, probably not going to want to be in this trade anymore, right? So, I mean, you could literally just move your stop loss up to here, and for me, that would be, you know, basically a guaranteed $178 profit. I'm definitely going to move my stop loss below the wick of this candle. I'm waiting for this candle to close. You know, this is just trade management 101. Just trade management 101. So with that being said, why do I think that we could be going to about $5,100? And what would that look like for my trade, right? Well, first off, our first target is right here at about $47.50. So I could make about, I don't know, $1,625 if we went up there. And then if we went up to the $5,000 range, I'd make about $4 grand. If we went up to the $5,100 range, I'd make about $5 grand. So as it sits right now, like, I'm just gonna take this level by level, and this thing could turn in. This could turn from a day trade into a swing trade really friggin' fast, and that is the power of knowing and understanding these levels. So let's show you what we need to do. We need to uphold this market structure on the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart. So the 1 hour market structure shift low is right here at 45.75, and the market structure shift low on the 4 hour chart is at the same exact point, 45.76 or so, right? And then we need to break above this all-time high with a 1 hour and a 4 hour candle close to then continue to the upside, right? That's what I would like to see, okay? Now, if we do that, right, and we don't end up breaking down from here, because if we end up breaking down from here, we're probably coming down here to about, I don't know, about $4,500 to $4,530, but I can show you a little bit better whenever I bring up my range tools, okay? And we're gonna get these pivot points off. So let's say that let's leave the pivot points on so that you can kind of see what's going on. If we were to break down from here, we're likely to come down to about $4,467, okay? And that's the equilibrium price of this entire move. But say we weren't, and say we moved above this. Well, our next resistance, and say we get above the all-time high, to my first proprietary deviation zone is $4,750 all the way up to $4,900. Now, if we look at our double top downtrend, okay, it shows us a little bit of the same kind of understanding, okay? So long as we uphold 45.70, we're looking to take this up to about $4,700 to $4,800. Now, what's an even better one, right? This one right here. If you measure from the lows to the highs and your first deviation zone is right here at 47.50, if you can get through that, and what I would like to see is us uphold this, come up here, tag this zone, right? And come down and uphold the previous all-time highs, and then leg our way up to about the $5,000 to $5,100 range. Now, what happens if we lose this? Well, you kind of know. Coming down to about $4,400 right here to these pivot lows, then you could be coming down to about $4,280, and then even further than that, you've got your $4,200 range. And if you lose $4,200, I mean, that's where you're pretty much almost guaranteed to come down here to about $3,900 to $4K. And I can actually show you what that looks like with market structure as well, because if we pull up our market structure, as you can see, if you lose the 4 hour, your 12 hour and 1 day market structure shifts are all the way down here at $4,300. So in reality, we really need to uphold $4,300 to just stay super bullish. And that's really what saves the day, in my opinion, for gold. So long as we uphold $4,300 on this bad boy right here, we are still in a massively bullish market, and that is what I am expecting to see. I'm expecting to see us uphold that 42.84 level, and honestly, I would like to see us come up and smack that all-time high with a 1 hour and 4 hour candle close, and then start continuing upwards, legging our way up to 47.50, legging back down, upholding the previous all-time high, and then boom, blasting our way up to about $5,000 to $5,100. Now, if you like analysis like this and you want the actionable insights and the trade setups that I give out every single day, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is the first link in the description. It is literally $29 a month. It's less than $1 a day right now. We give you discounts for 3, 6, and 12-month membership bookings, and just get in where you fit in. If you feel like this is actionable for you, cool, right? Get in, see how it works, see if it's for you, and then we will take it from there, right? But I can pretty much show you anybody that took that trade with 1 micro gold contract is basically paying for their membership right now off of that, okay? So with that being said, if you like content like this, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on the notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. Hopefully I will see you in Nordic Alpha very soon. Again, first link in the description, and everybody have a wonderful day.